Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been on the minds of many potential investors and expats. Can you get a golden visa by buying a house in Dubai? Stick around to find out all the details. But did you know that investing in real estate here might just open the doors to a golden visa? So, what exactly is a golden visa? In simple terms, it's a long-term residency visa that allows you to live, work, and study in the UAE without the need for a national sponsor. It's a game changer for anyone looking to make Dubai their home. The UAE's Golden Visa program was introduced to attract and retain talent from all over the world. It's available for various categories, including investors, entrepreneurs, researchers, and outstanding students. And yes, real estate investors are also on the list. But let's get into the specifics. If you're considering buying a property in Dubai, here's what you need to know about qualifying for the Golden Visa through real estate investment. First, the minimum investment required to qualify for the Golden Visa through real estate is 2 million AED, which is approximately $545,000. This means that by purchasing a property worth at least 2 million AED, you can apply for a 10-year renewable Golden Visa. Imagine living in a place like this and having the peace of mind that comes with long-term residency. Some of the benefits include the ability to sponsor family members, including spouse, children, and even parents. Plus, you'll have access to the UAE's excellent healthcare and education systems. Now, there are a few more details to keep in mind. The property you invest in must be completed, and you must hold the property for at least 3 years. Also, the investment must be free of any loans or mortgages. So, to sum it up, yes, you can get a golden visa by buying a house in Dubai, provided you meet the investment criteria and other requirements. It's an incredible opportunity for those looking to make a long-term commitment to this vibrant city. If you found this information helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on living and investing in Dubai.